Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, day 74, May the 8th. I am packed up, ready to go. Just got through filtering a little water for the day. Today, I'm at Tom's Run shelter. Slept good last night. Nobody here. First shelter I've ever stayed in by myself, so that was really sweet. I sleep better by myself, obviously, than there were people tossing and turning and snoring and what have you. I get to go to the state park today where they do the ice cream challenge. Now, I've always been up for challenges, but I don't know about ice cream challenges. I'm going to start with the first tub anyway, and we'll see how that goes. I should be there in a few hours this morning. So I didn't eat breakfast. I just had some coffee and I had just drank some water. So I got water and that's it. So, knowing that I'm gonna be eating ice cream in a little while. This is a nice place. It's down here on Tom's Run, which is the creek right here, and you can hear the water running. It's really a nice little area in here. It's got a bunch of tent pads. There's an old fireplace back in there. I don't know what this was, but this has a fire pit at the shelter. The shelter's small, but there's covered places. Sorry about just swinging around. See there, that's actually a tent pad with a picnic table under it. It's a nice little area in here, different levels. It's a good place to chill for the night. So I got good rest, and I'm ready to roll now. It's after 7. I slept till about 6:20 this morning, which I don't normally sleep that late, but I just got in here late and I needed to rest my leg and see how it's going to do today. I'm going to take a couple ibuprofen before I even start today, and let's see what happens. But hope everybody has a good week this week. It's Monday, so everybody be headed to work shortly, and I hope you will have a good week this week. Talk to you later. Temperature last night was in the middle 50s. It's like ideal camping weather. It's just really sweet last night. And I can't keep saying it, but it just helped me to rest good. Wasn't cold, wasn't too hot, just really nice. Look, somebody's got firewood stacked here. Gosh, this is a nice area. Split, ready to go. Sitting on a crate. I mean, you never know. I've noticed that a lot of these shelters in Pennsylvania are very nice so far. I gotta get through this water somehow. This is kind of like a spring. It's just coming down. There's clear water flowing through here. First stop is Pine Grove Furnace State Park. And for the half-gallon challenge, yeah, that's the big thing everybody does here at the midway point. They do the half-gallon challenge. See if you can eat a half-gallon of ice cream. I'm gonna do it. I have no aspirations to completing it, but I'm always up for a competition. So we'll see how it goes. And that's only 4 miles away this morning. I got to get about 22 miles total today. I'm gonna go all the way to Boiling Springs, PA. So, should have started a little earlier, but figured I needed the rest. All right, talk to you later. Just showed up down in here, getting close to the state park, Pine Grove Furnace, and several cabins all down in here. That's a log cabin. headed to the store. Be there shortly. Well, it's not good. They closed on Monday until after Memorial Day weekend. Wow. Shoot. Let's see what's in the hiker box. There's a registry in there, 2022. Oh well. I don't get to do the half-gallon challenge. Can buy a drink though. Gatorade. I might drink a Gatorade while I'm sitting here. This is the Appalachian Trail Museum, which apparently is closed too. I don't know if it is or not. Yep, that chain across the entrance. Well, I missed out all around today by being here on Monday. That stinks. Missed the ice cream challenge. Didn't get to go in the museum. It says they open every day after Memorial Day. Oh well. Another opportunity to go swimming here at Pine Grove, Furnace. Nice little state park if they was just open. Says they don't open till every day until after Memorial Day. About this trail. Wonder how long this will last. Deer. I just ate lunch at Tag T-A-G-G run. Oh, I'm about to do a road crossing too. Trying to figure out which way I go. Oh, there it is. Oof. Here we go. Made it. There's a nice little bridge, nice stream at Tag Run. Somebody lost his shirt. New Jersey. Got awful hot, I guess. Tight squeeze. Georgia that way. Maine that way. They just want you to go through those rocks. Well, a bunch of these outcroppings. They keep putting the trail right through the middle of them, which I don't understand, but we went down to the road and then back up again. And they don't want you to miss those outcroppings. Coming into Boiling Springs, came out of the woods, walking across a long trail in between fields, farm fields. See OG way up there. Oof. Sorry, can't hold that still. There's got a gummy bear right behind me. The iron industry in Boiling Springs. Cafe 101, Boiling Springs. Fajitas.